Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Mechanical Stream and I hope you are doing well. Friend, we are thrilled to bring you some exciting news today. Are you looking to enhance your skills in Scrum Management? Well, you are in luck. TCS is offering a free certification course on Scrum Management that you will not want to miss. In this video, we will walk you through all the details of this fantastic opportunity. So let's dive right in. So you can see here we are at the official page of the TCS Ion Digital Learning Hub and they are providing this Scrum Management free certification courses. So friend, the Scrum Management certification course by TCS is designed to equip you with the essential knowledge and skills needed to excel in Scrum practices. Whether you are the seasoned professional or new to the world of project management, this course has something valuable for everyone. And friend, you can see here the audience will be the product manager, release manager, agile coach, transition lead, domain consultant, then tester and developers. And also, if you are the project manager, then product specialist or scrum master or engineer, then definitely this course will help you. And other than this, if you are involved in the software development life cycle, then course is also help for you. So, friend. You have the question in mind that why you should consider enrolling in this course. First and foremost, it is a completely free. You can see here. You can see here, friend, in the yellow color they have highlighted that it is absolutely free. Means you did not have to pay any money, and friend, TCS is providing this certification course at no cost to participant, and this is an incredible chance to upscale without any financial burden. And secondly, which is the very important thing, you can see upon successful completion, friend, you can see this type of certificates you will get. This certification can be a game changer for your career, and this will showcase your expertise in Scrum management to potential employers. Friend, you can see your name will be given on the certificates and it is authorized certificates, and the top you can see TCS logo will be also given. So it has a very valuable, and you will also learn the very good content. And friend, the course content is a rich and comprehensive. You will learn about the foundational principles of Scrums, including key roles, responsibilities, sprint planning, then execution, backlog management, and much more. And this course is structured to provide a deep understanding of Scrum concepts and how to apply them effectively in real world scenarios. So you can see here you will learn the processes involved in the SDLC through the backlog. Then you can see releases and a sprint. The learners will gain understanding of its ability to facilitate robust process governance. And you can see also here what types of modules you will learn. They have also given. You can see here course syllabus. That is, you can see the module one, which consists of overview of TCS, Mastercraft, Dev Plus, Scrum Management Edition, then Backlog Module, then you can see a Release Plan Module, then Wiki Module, then the last module is the Report and Dashboards. And friend, you also have the module number 6, which is the Collaborative Features in Scrum Management. So these are the some modules you will learn, and you can see the course detail. The course detail you can see here. Duration is a 1 week and you will require 2 hours of commitment, and the course is available in English language only, and course format is a online sale page. So friend, whenever you will get the your times like in the weekdays or weekends, you can complete this course. And friend, there is a one prerequisites for this course. You can see here that you should know the various terms involved in the Scrum management. So, friend, if you don't know what is this Scrum, the Scrum is an agile project management method that breaks projects into smaller sprints, usually 2 to 4 weeks, and it involves a product owner who sets priorities, a Scrum Master who facilitates the processes, and a development team that delivers the work. Development team is the candidates who actually work on the projects. And friend, there is also daily stand-up meetings which will help everyone aligned with the project planning, their review, and their retrospectives, and enhance the processes. And friend, Scrum promotes the teamwork, adaptability, and efficient product delivery. Mostly, Scrums are used in the software development life cycle, and it is the one of the framework from the Agile project management. So you can see the terms like Scrum principles. So then you can see Agile portfolio planning, idea management, backlog management. Basically a backlog in which there is a lot of issues you will find, means if you have to do any work, you will pick up the work from the backlog. Then the reports and dashboards. So in the project management you have to make the various types of reports and dashboard. So these type of things you will learn. These are the some prerequisites they have given. So friend, let's check how you have to enroll in this free certification course. And friend, before that, if you're not subscribed our channel Mechanical Stream yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, virtual internship opportunities, and tips related to the interview and the resume. So please subscribe Mechanical Stream to receive the notification of our latest video. And friend, it will also help us to create a more content for you. So let's check. So friend, I have given the link in the description box. Once you open this window will come, and for that you have to first register yourself on this TCS and digital learning hub. For that you have to click on this login, and once you click, then this type of page will come. You can see uh, you have to scroll down, and once you scroll down friend, at the bottom you can see create account is given. So you have to simply click on that, and if you already your account on this TCS, and then you can directly log in. If not, then you have to create an account first. For that you have to select the options here, like you have to provide your full name, password. You have to select the state. Friend, this course is only for the candidates from the India. So it is for the Indian citizens only. Then you have to enter your phone number, and you have to verify it via OTP, and you have to enter your email ID, and you have to create one password. And you, once you have provided this all these details, you have to create your account. And once your account is created friend, then this course will add in your account. So you can see here I have already logged in, and you can see here this TCS Mastercraft Scrum Management. You can see course is added in my account. So you have to click on this Get Started, and once you click, then this type of again page will come. So you can see here you have to click on that, and once you click on this Continue, then you can see this type of page will come, and you can see here the content is available in the video form, in the slides. On the top right side, left side, you can see the various modules are given, like backlog module. You can see release plan and many more. And these are these given, and at the end you will get the summary. And after completing this course, you have to give one assessment, and once you pass, then you will get the certificates. And on the top right corner, friend, you can see here, you will see the here progress bar, and what types of contents available you can see on this side. So you can complete it according to your time requirement, as it is a self-paced. And friend, please complete this certification. And if you face any issue, or if you have any doubt regarding these free certification courses, or you have any doubt regarding Scrum management topic, please comment in the video. We are going to check it and resolve your queries. And friend, please subscribe Mechanical Stream. Thank you.